In this video, I'm going to show you how to get your Terminated Roblox account back. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe. Okay, so what we first need to do is open up a web page, go to roblox.com/support. Now this is going to take us to our contact us page. Now before we fill this out, we need to determine the reason for the termination. So when you try and log in, Roblox usually gives a message explaining why the account was terminated. Some common reasons is violating Roblox terms of use, using cheats, hacks, and exploits, harassment or inappropriate behavior, or scamming or account theft. Now, knowing the reason will help you craft a better appeal so you try and remember what you did wrong. Now, before submitting appeal, make sure you have your username, your email address, any transaction histories. This can be Roblox purchases, membership info, and date when the account was terminated if possible. This information makes it easier for Roblox support to verify you're the account owner. Now from here, we want to go ahead and fill out this form. So put in your username, your first name, your email address that got terminated, you confirm that email address. And now under where it says issues details, what device are you having the problem on? So choose the device. Now from here where it says type of help, we want to go ahead and click on moderation. Now in the please describe your issue, we want to go ahead and say something along these lines. Don't copy this out word for word, just make your own version of this. So hello Roblox support team, my account was recently terminated and I'd like to kindly request a review of this action. I understand that Roblox has rules and community guidelines in place and apologize if any of my actions unintentionally violated them. I value my account and all the time I've spent in Roblox community, and I would like the opportunity to make things right if possible. I would greatly appreciate having my account reinstated. I promise to follow rules and guidelines moving forward. Thank you very much for your time and consideration. I look forward to your response. Sincerely, your name and your username here. Then from here, go ahead and click on continue. So just try and be polite and professional here and avoid blaming Roblox or being aggressive too while you're putting in your issue. And just simply explain that you want to follow the rules moving forward. And then if you can, provide any proof that you didn't violate the rules if possible as well. Now from here, just simply wait for your response once you've submitted it. Roblox support usually responds within a few days, so check your emails, including spam, junk folders, and be patient. Sometimes it can take a week or more for them to review your case.